in Paris now. To register today because tomorrow morning we're going to start early at 7 to 7:30 a.m. So there's so many doctors, about 14,000 doctors all over the world. So we have two counters here, and we look at the other side. There's another counter there, so that it's easier for everyone to register. So it started from 2 p.m. and it's going to go on until 8 p.m. So what are we, or what am I here for at Paris? I'm so excited. If we can look at it, is the IMCAS. IMCAS in Paris. So what does IMCAS stand for? IMCAS stands for the International Masters Course Anti-Aging Science, where it includes all of our aesthetic from hair, face, body, with all the latest technology. So I'm here to bring the latest to Malaysia for my patients, for my clients, for my friends, for everyone, so that I can deliver the best at Clinic Dr Inder. So in Paris here, weather is beautiful and I'm enjoying myself. So thank you. Dr. Inder in Paris at IMCAS 2022. So today is day 2. It's a full-packed day of knowledge, to share knowledge. We start at 8 a.m. and right to 6 p.m. We have a break, a short lunch break, and all the time continuously there is about 12 to 13 workshops going on at the same time. And the same time at every booth they have their own presentation. So if you are here, you're confused where exactly to go. But right here, I've already planned my programs for the whole day. So I'm going to go to exactly where I think I'm going to learn, and I'm going to share the knowledge with everyone. So Dr. Inder in Paris. Hi everyone, look at this place. Today, Gala Dinner IMCAS 2022 is going to be here. downstairs and eat something, very hungry. And tomorrow is the last day and day 3 of IMCAS. Unfortunately, I have to leave a little bit early to go to the airport to catch the flight. So day 2 over, beautiful day, and a little bit tired, but extremely excited to look forward for tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. Good morning everyone. Today is day 3 of IMCAS conference in Paris. We got a lot of lineup programs for today. So unfortunately I have to leave to the airport around 2 o'clock. So we're attending the important talks and a little bit of live presentation, and then I'm off to Malaysia. So this conference has really taught me so many things, and kind of a little bit genius now in this field. So I'm going to go in now. I'm going to have some breakfast first and then attend my conference. Okay, bye. I'm in IMCAS Paris 2022. I'm Dr Inder from Malaysia.